Okay, here we go, out into the storm. Wow, the storm of a lifetime. Here we are in Wilmington, Delaware. You want to go outside? Let's go. Yeah, this is the street in downtown Wilmington where I live. And it's been snowing for about 10.5 hours. I don't know how much accumulation that we've had because the wind's been blowing hard and things have been drifting up. Here come my neighbors. What do you say, Todd? You been out sledding?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You're on candid camera.
Cool. Oh, I love those things.
Yeah.
That's a video camera. Oh,
yeah, it's great in this weather because there's not a whole lot to get wet.
Yeah. Neat.
Yeah.
I know. That is cool.
I was out shoveling this morning and cleared I don't know how many inches of snow away, but you can see the snow is up to the porches, and it's leaving this crazy kind of Dr. Zhivago design up on the eaves of the houses because the wind is blowing very hard and the snow's slightly wet and it's sticking to things. I don't know how long it's going to take us to dig out of this one. As you see, we have street parking in our neighborhood and the cars are just about completely covered. And there's really no place to put the snow. Hi, hey, what do you think about this one, huh? Come on over and say hello.
We're looking for a sled.
Oh, okay. We'll put you on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Hey, do you like this snow? Maggie, how you doing, Mag?
Good.
Good. You like the snow?
Yeah.
Where did you go sledding?
I'm right here. Do you see my snow sled?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Everybody out there in Snowland.
How many inches do you think we've got?
Well, I've heard that we had 20. At
20?
8 this morning.
All right, all right. It sure is a storm of a lifetime.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
I like the hat.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, is it deep over there?
It is.
How deep is it? Show me.
Up to my knees.
Up to your knees.
Which makes it awfully hard to walk without falling.
Yeah.
Hi.
Everything's so beautiful. That's the old First Presbyterian Church. And now we're looking east and sweeping down towards the river. Okay, here comes the neighbor coming down the slope.
Going down the hill.
It's too deep.
Oh my God, it's like slaloms. It's zigzag. Yeah, it's, woo! Watch out, Eileen.